Okay, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal pieces from central Queensland, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted, and the white you can see is the reflection of the lights. There's a couple of bits here I've just thrown in, like this piece. It's got a little fine line of opal there, whether it goes anywhere much. It's just a gamble and it's free. Here's a piece with a little eye colour. Goes back under there, but it changes to potch. But you could follow it back this way, and it might open up into a bit bigger stone. Same with going that way. This one, for example, needs to have the brown cut off, and you might end up with a reasonable little stone. Probably just needs to be cut off there, small stone. Again, a little fine vein there. It's probably what you see is what you get. These two pieces are really the best pieces in the deal. Some more of that brown might come out. To do it, you really need to be able to carve with a Dremel. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at for your money. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.